The relevant metabolic parameters of dairy cows, an interpretation of normal or pathological of their values. The target groups are close up before birth, fresh cows a week after birth, so the transition period is 3 weeks before and after calving, as well as fresh cows during involution or animals at peak production. For the metabolic parameters and interpretation, there can be a short-term evaluation and a long-term evaluation. The short-term evaluation are parameters with variable concentration. This includes beta-hydroxybutyrate and urine pH, as well as blood, rumen, saliva, feces, milk, and urine. The long-term evaluation are parameters with accumulation, such as copper, zinc, and selenium, and toxic elements. These can be found in the hair, horn, and liver, and other organs. So the parameters for energy are beta-hydroxybutyrate, total ketones, non-esteroid fatty acids, and glucose. For the interpretation, if beta-hydroxybutyrate or ketone increases, this is ketosis. And if the non-esteroid fatty acids increase or glucose decreases, this is a negative energy balance. And for the macro elements, we have calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, or sodium. If there's a decrease, there's milk fever or grass tetany. And for protein, we can have beta-carotene. And if there's a decreased, it means it can lead to reproductive problems, especially in peak lactation. For the parameters to see acids and bases, we can look at the urine pH or the rumen pH. This shows an indication of aciduria. And the microelements are zinc, copper, and selenium. If these decrease, then there's a decrease in ovulation. The evaluation of results. The exact cut point is not relevant on a herd scale. It depends on the lab method. You need to write down in a report and then plan how to solve and prevent the problem, and then have a scheduled follow-up. You need to establish the disease prevalence rate and the average and the standard deviation and the tendencies.